Augsburg is one of the oldest cities in Germany, founded by the Romans in 15 BC as Augusta Vindelicorum to honor Emperor Augustus. The city is located in Bavaria, in the southern part of Germany, and serves as a significant cultural and economic center. Augsburg is situated at the confluence of the Lech and Wurtach rivers, which historically facilitated trade and transportation. The city played a crucial role during the Reformation, hosting the famous Augsburg Confession in 1530, which laid out the theological foundations of Lutheranism. Augsburg is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the impressive Augsburg Cathedral, which dates back to the 11th century. The Fuggerei, established in 1521, is the world's oldest social housing complex still in use, providing affordable housing for the less fortunate. The Fugger family, one of the wealthiest banking families of the Renaissance, significantly influenced Augsburg's economy and politics. Augsburg has a vibrant textile industry history, which dates back to the Middle Ages, known for its high-quality cloth production. The city boasts a rich artistic heritage, being home to famous painters like Hans Holbein the Elder and the Renaissance artist Hans Bergmayr. Augsburg's historical significance is recognized by UNESCO, which designated the city's water management system a World Heritage Site in 2019. The city has a strong connection to the German fairy tale tradition, as it is the birthplace of the brothers Grimm, who collected and popularized folktales. The Augsburg Puppet Theater, founded in 1949, is renowned for its innovative performances and attracts audiences of all ages. The city hosts the Augsburg Peace Festival every year in August, commemorating the Peace of Augsburg signed in 1555, which ended religious conflicts in the Holy Roman Empire. Augsburg is home to several impressive museums, including the Augsburg Art Gallery, which features works from the Middle Ages to contemporary art. One of the most iconic landmarks in Augsburg is the Perlach Tower, which offers panoramic views of the city and dates back to the 10th century. The city is known for its beautiful parks and green spaces, such as the Augsburg City Park, which is perfect for leisurely strolls and picnics. Augsburg is a hub for education, with several universities and institutions, including the University of Augsburg, founded in 1970. The city has a diverse culinary scene, offering traditional Bavarian dishes as well as international cuisine, making it a foodie destination. Augsburg's Christmas market is one of the oldest in Germany, attracting visitors with its festive atmosphere and local crafts. The city is famous for its historic water management system, which includes canals and fountains that were crucial for trade and sanitation. Augsburg was one of the key centers for the textile industry in Europe during the 16th century, especially known for silk weaving. The city's historical center is characterized by its narrow streets, charming squares, and colorful buildings, showcasing a mix of architectural styles. Augsburg is located approximately 70 kilometers, 43 miles, northwest of Munich, making it easily accessible for day trips. The city is known for its annual Augsburg Film Festival, which showcases independent films and attracts filmmakers from around the world. Augsburg's Botanical Garden is home to over 3,000 plant species, providing a tranquil escape for nature lovers. The city celebrates its rich musical heritage with events like the Augsburg Jazz Nights, highlighting local and international jazz musicians. The Augsburg Zoo, established in 1938, features a variety of animals and is dedicated to conservation and education. The city has a strong sports culture, with popular activities including soccer, basketball, and ice hockey. Augsburg's Town Hall, built in the Renaissance style, is one of the most significant civic buildings in Germany. The city has a vibrant nightlife scene, with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues catering to different tastes. Augsburg is known for its annual Augsburger Dult, a traditional fair that combines a market with amusement rides and entertainment. The city has a long-standing tradition of brewing, with several local breweries producing a variety of beers. Augsburg is home to the Augsburg Art Prize, which recognizes exceptional artistic achievements in various disciplines. The Augsburg Cathedral features stunning Romanesque and Gothic architecture, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Augsburg's historic City Hall is adorned with a magnificent golden hall, showcasing intricate frescoes and architectural details. The city has a unique tradition of Augsburger Puppenkist, a famous marionette theater that has captured the hearts of audiences for decades. The Augsburg Synagogue, built in the 19th century, serves as a symbol of the city's Jewish heritage and community. Augsburg is also known for its impressive collection of Renaissance and Baroque art, displayed in various galleries and museums. The city's location along the Romantic Road makes it a popular stop for tourists exploring this picturesque route. The Augsburg Botanical Garden features themed areas, including a rock garden and a tropical greenhouse. Augsburg is home to the Augsburg University of Applied Sciences, which offers a variety of technical and engineering programs. The city's historical significance is marked by various monuments, including the Augsburg Peace Monument, commemorating the Peace of Augsburg. Augsburg has a diverse population, with a growing international community contributing to its cultural richness. The city is known for its commitment to sustainability, with initiatives promoting green spaces and eco-friendly practices. Augsburg's annual Augsburg Christmas Market features local artisans selling handcrafted goods and delicious seasonal treats. The Augsburg City Museum explores the city's history and culture, showcasing artifacts and exhibitions from different eras. The city has a strong connection to the arts, hosting various festivals and events celebrating music, theater, and visual arts.